What's good, my real ones? Thank you so much for coming back. If you're not a real one already, my name is daljiimarax, and on this channel I teach you how to recreate makeup and hair looks done on A-list celebrities by the beauty industry's top makeup artists and hairstylists. In addition, I also do really cool wig transformations. So if you're interested in that type of content, make sure you become a real one and subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get started. My name is daljiimarax, and on this channel I teach you how to recreate makeup and hair looks done on A-list celebrities by the beauty industry's top makeup artists and hairstylists. In addition, I also do really cool wig transformations. So if you're interested in that type of content, make sure you become a real one and subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get started. So, as you know, today we are going to be plucking our lace fronts. This is so vital to having a natural looking lace front. Like, hairline is everything when it comes to your lace, especially if you're going to be pulling your hair back or wearing it straight or half up, half down. You always want to make sure it's plucked to its best ability. There are lots of wigs out there that have pre-plucked, but then again, when it comes to plucking your lace, it all is in within. You know, all depends on the person. Everybody wants a different look. Some people like excessive baby hair. Some people don't like baby hair. Some people, want it to be a little natural. Some people like older. It all depends on the look you're going for at the end of the day. But every wig is basically needs to be plucked. Like, it all has to be customized. And then it also depends on your actual hairline and the size of your forehead. So with all that being said, I'm about to tell you guys how to properly pluck your wig so that it's as natural as possible and y'all can be out here slaying these hoes. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, brush all the hair to the back. Make sure all the hair is going in the same direction. It's going to hit the process so much so you making sure you slaying your wig. Next thing I got to do is put all the hair, section the wig, that part of the hair that I'm going to do in the front, which is going to be all the hair that's going to be plucked, and make sure I put the back of it in a ponytail so it's out of the way. Then I'm going to make another little small section on the side. This is sure as I'm making sure I'm keeping track of the parts that I'm plucking, so I'm not over plucking no parts. So once I do that, I'm going to clip that in, and then I'm going to randomly begin plucking the areas. So the key to this is basically make sure you're not plucking the same area. That's how you create that bald spot. That's how you out here looking crusty. You ain't looking cute. Like, it's just a hot ass mess. So make sure when you are plucking, as you see that I'm doing, you're just using random spots. Just plucking randomly. Make sure you're moving up and down. Don't be on that same area. You're going to be bald head. I'm telling you, don't be doing that. Just go randomly. I'm not speeding up this part. I'm just, showing you how it really looks in real time, so that you know that, if you do too much in one area, you're going to be bald. We don't want to be bald headed out here, okay? That's why we got this wig on, so we can have some hair, okay? So I'm just going up and down, just picking random places to pluck until I get my desired look. Like I said, it all depends on the individual person. Some people like a more full look. Some people like a more natural. It all depends on you. Once you get your satisfied look, then that's when you can keep moving up and down. Then periodically what I'm going to do is I'm going to comb through, get all that hair out the way and just keep on going. You're just repeating this step on and on and on, making sure you're taking your time. Making sure you're getting the desired look you want, and that's just how it goes throughout the whole process. So with that being said, that's basically all you have to do to pluck your lace. It's very tedious and it takes a long time, but it's so worth it because you get this natural, beautiful hairline and it looks like your wig is coming out of your scalp. But make sure you guys are very careful and when you guys are plucking your wigs, because you can't go back when you pluck your wig. Like there's no going back to it. There's no redoing it. Once you pluck it, it's a done deal. So make sure when you're being very careful and you're watching yourself, and you make sure you're doing, using the right pressure and all that good stuff, because you don't want to look like you're balding on your wig, okay? Don't nobody got time to be buying brand new wigs every time they don't pluck them right, okay? Obviously with time you'll get better, but I hope this video helped enough so, on your first try, you'll be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative and educational. Make sure you follow me on my social media, and if you have any more questions or concerns, leave them in the comments below. In the meantime, click the videos in this playlist, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.